What is this idol? My name is Mate, welcome to the channel. If you want to see more E39 videos, press subscribe for the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. When the engine is cold, my idle is acting up as well. I'm having a loss of power. What I think might be the spark plugs. Let's exchange all 8. This should be fun. You remember those 30 minutes you used to have exchange all 4 spark plugs? Most probably it will be more time than that. First things first, let's remove the covers. I think I will start on this side and with this spark plug, which should be the easiest, and then we'll see the rest. And the first problem. Reaching the volts will probably be the most difficult part of this whole thing. It's number 10. Let's disconnect the first one. 2 10mm bolts. Coil number 1. Yeah. So these are still the original ones from 99. I as well bought new rubbers, no cracking, original Bremmy. Number 1 is out. It doesn't look pretty. New one versus old one. Some of you are more knowledgeable than me, so if you know that does this mean something, should I be worried about something, then tell me in the comments below. First new one going in. So they said just a bit more. I hope that's enough. It says 22 Newton meters, but I cannot get a wrench here. And now the most difficult part, getting the socket out. One down, 7 to go. For the next one, we will have to remove this cable channel. For that, I think I will remove this air channel. Bit more space now. I don't know why these are tightened so much. This is just holding the cable channel in place. Comes out nicely. Number 2. Same as the other ones. Okay. Disconnected. One side is finished. Took me around 1.5 hours. I hope other side will go faster because it will be cold and dark soon. So these are the ones I took out naturally, and all of them look the same. Like they are charred, burnt, with some kind of deposit. I hope the video was helpful. If you want to see more E39 videos, press subscribe for the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.